Ever wanted to dive into the rhythmist chaos of Friday Night Funkin' a Euro and create your own? Alright, let's get started. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new project. Choose the Action Script 30 option and define the width and height based on what you want your video to look like. Something like 1280 by 720 is common. Then hit Create. The timeline is your best friend. Think of it as your animation blueprint. You'll see layers. Use these to organize different parts of your scene: background, characters, notes, etc. This helps maintain clarity. Now, let's set up our scene starting with a character. Import your character, which you can draw directly in Animate or import as a vector file. Break it down into segments like arms, legs, body, and head for easier animation. This is how we'll make the character interactive. Now that the character is set, let's add a layer under the character layer to add the background and import a background image. This will be the stage on which they duel. Select a part of the character, like the arm in the first frame of the timeline, and create keyframes to mark the changes in the character, one for its stationary position and one with the arm slightly raised. Then use the tween feature to animate the movements in between these keyframes. Remember, the more keyframes, the smoother the animation. Music is key. Import an FNFSTYLE song. Add the notes of the song. Now place these visual cues based on the rhythm to simulate gameplay. Use the timeline to mark when each note appears, synchronizing with the music. You've almost done it. Add final touches like special effects, transitions, and finally hit Export. Watch your own NEF and NEF mod take shape.